How's it, guys? So here's the Mtech 2 4-door. Car is almost complete, but the customer's taking it through for an event quickly. So this is how she came out. You guys all seen the before photos of the vehicle. We decided to go through with we redone the Mtech 2 kit. Polaris silver is the color on it. There's the roof pop. The rim is we went with the style rim that we put up in the video, and I think she looks much better than the other. Anyway, let's go through the vehicle. So there's still some lining up to do and stuff like that, but this is how the interior came out here. So if you guys recall the previous or the first video we done of the car, of how this interior looked, yeah, I know there's bottles and stuff in here, but that's the customers, that's the client. He's actually here waiting for the vehicle. So there's still some nitty-gritties to be done. Again, here's the seats looking all fresh from Comfortech. Wesley, you guys done a good job. The pedals are still gonna come in. Catch an order from BM. And then we got a set of mats coming in from the vehicle. You can see the rear came out quite good. So we found original door cards for it. The seating looks good. We are gonna redo the backboard soon. So the car is gonna go to Limpopo. It is gonna come back. But I think the final outcome is what we expected. The fitment of the kit is good. The lineup is good. Just on the front corner there, you'll see that there is a bit of a gap. So we'll have to try and manipulate that when we come in. The issue is actually coming in from the fender side and not from the kit itself. So yeah, Polaris silver, and you can see what you can have a look at the shadow line look on it. So everything made black. This is what we spoke about earlier in the previous videos, and you can see the difference in it now. It plays a huge part in it. So just getting rid of the chrome around there, that does play a huge role in it. I'm gonna open up the engine bay. Okay, so the customer chose the angel eyes here. It's like that. The fog lights we are gonna change to new when it comes back. And the top of the car we're still gonna play with. So in the first video, you guys all had a look at how the engine bay came out. We didn't go through the whole engine bay as what we should have done, but as for this build, as what was required, we tried to get it looking as clean as possible. So here's the powder coat finish that I showed you when they were all loose. There's the throttle done. We've got the covers in place, the cowlings in place, and so on like that. Just a new bonnet shield on it. The dummy airflow is there. But remember, this car is running on aftermarket management. So the update on this motor is, what we're going to do is next is we're going to go through all the nitty-gritties like these covers here. Close them up. I'm still going to get to doing these, the earth strap on. Then we are going to go through this motor. We're going to open up this motor and see what is going on in here. Do this motor up. The suspension has been done. What I did forget to mention before is that the client complained about the car twitching to the left. So upon investigation, what we done is we stripped the whole rear suspension out, and we actually found that on the duff area where the control arms bolt onto, the holes were actually shaved. The holes were actually shaved on there, causing the control arm to move back and forth. So that actually played a vital role in it. Anyway, swap the duff carrier out, new bushers there, new control arm bushers. I think we fixed up the side shaft boots, and that's about it. So yeah, hope you guys like the build. Please like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yeah, leave a comment. Let us know what you think of the final outcome was. Cheers, guys.